All right, let's be honest for a minute. I just spent 30 straight days testing real AI side hustles. Not the hype, but actual proof. I wanted actual proof, and today I'm showing you exactly what made money, what completely flopped, and the simple 3-step system I would follow if I had to start from zero again tomorrow. I focused on building AI-powered income streams using only free or low-cost tools like ChatGPT, Canva, Pictory, and Zapier. The goal was to answer what actually works for beginners. Here's what I discovered. First, fast turnaround AI services absolutely work. Anything I could deliver in 10 to 20 minutes performed well. Speed wins. Next, AI templates performed better than expected. Simple, focused templates like Notion planners or budgeting sheets sold well. My mistake was trying complicated ones. Simple sells. iVideo content worked, but only when I batched it. 10 scripts at a time, using 11 labs for voice and Pictory for visuals. Once I focused on volume, a couple of videos picked up traction. Volume beats perfection. Now let's talk about what didn't work. These were the things that looked cool but had terrible money-to-time ratios. High-effort AI gigs were a complete waste of time. Full website builds or deep brand-matched copywriting simply didn't pay enough for the amount of work required. General AI art didn't work because the platforms are too saturated. But niche-specific art, like dog breed posters or nursery prints, actually moved. Being specific made all the difference. The two biggest lessons from the flops were niche beats general, and you must focus on volume for content creation to succeed. And the biggest mistake of the whole 30-day challenge? It was a simple yet costly error that wasted the most time. Using too many tools was the biggest time sink. Every new tool means a new login, a new learning curve, and a fragmented workflow. Once I simplified down to 4 core tools, ChatGPT, Canva, Pictory, and Zapier, everything became faster and more profitable. Tools don't matter as much as the workflow. So if I had to start again tomorrow, here's the exact simple system I would follow to build a profitable AI side hustle from zero. Step 1, choose one fast win service, something you can deliver in minutes. This builds confidence and gets your first dollars in the door quickly. Step 2, turn your best performing service into a template. If clients like your caption packs, turn it into a 30-day content calendar template. One service, one template, 2 income streams. Step 3, automate at least one part of your workflow, like file delivery or client onboarding. Small automations save hours. Also, pick one long-term platform, not 5. Consistency compounds faster when you're not spread thin. Here are the final takeaways from the entire 30-day challenge that you need to remember as you start your own AI journey. Remember these key principles. Speed is your friend. Simple templates sell. Volume beats perfection. Niche content outperforms general content. And systems matter more than tools. AI won't replace your effort, it multiplies it. If you want more AI side hustles, beginner-friendly workflows, and real tests like this, make sure you subscribe to Purposefully AI and grab your free AI Money Starter Kit, linked below, which includes the exact prompts and workflows I used.